Okay, so let's talk through the answer for the chart on the previous page. This is the chart in question and it's a strategy 2 trade. So we're looking at if we have a 3% risk of a $10,000 account, how many currency units will we be trading here? So the entry and stop are as defined, and here is the ABCD. So the entry is at 0.8246 and the stop is at 0.8237. The chart is of Australian dollar against US dollar, so let's use a trade size calculator now. So we've got a $10,000 account, 3% risk per trade. Australian dollar against US dollar is a currency, and our entry price is 0.8246. So 0.8246, and our stop is 0.8237. So our risk is 9 pips. So if we go through to the trade size calculator and we hit calculate, we can see that we need to be trading 333,333 currency units. So as you can see, 37 to 46 is 9 pips. As I said, the fourth decimal place is 1 pip, so 0.0001 is 1 pip. So 0.8237 to 0.8238 is 1 pip. So with only 9 pips risk and we're putting in 3% of our account into it, we wouldn't normally be putting in that much risk, but just for argument's sake, let's just say we would be trading 333,333 currency units. So I hope you got that right, and I hope you're really understanding how to use the trade size calculators now, so you can just punch in the numbers and figure out the exact amount that you should be trading in that particular trade. Now remember, the numbers that we've gone through in these examples are very, very large currency units. And normally with your intraday trading, you wouldn't be risking so much with such small pips in risk. So something with only 10, 20, 30 pips risk, you wouldn't be putting in a whole 3% of your account into it. But just so you can get the hang of the trade size calculator, we just put $10,000 account there with 3% risk, even though the trade examples were very short-term, small trades that you wouldn't be risking that much in anyway. But as long as you understand the trade size calculator, you know how to use it, that's what's important here, and that's what we're trying to make you understand right now. So all you need to do now is go over to the next page so you can continue with the module.